If you're really not a coder and you cannot go on the backside of Facebook and create your own bot, what is the second easiest way to do that? Basically, if you are actually trying to avoid using landing pages, this is one way that you can do it.
4, 3, 2, 1.
So here we are on the ManyChat website where you can see it says Meet Chat Marketing. So a lot of people talk about chatbots. A lot of people talk about driving their traffic and driving their customers into Messenger. They talk a lot about collecting leads in Facebook Messenger. But the thing is, it's like, how do you do that? If you're really not a coder and you cannot go on the backside of Facebook and create your own bot, what is the second easiest way to do that? Well, come to this website here, manychat.com, and ManyChat can actually build a bot for you. It connects specifically to your Facebook page or any Facebook page whatsoever, but you do have to own the page. So what happens is it pretty much just gives you an idea, or what happens is you can build your own bot. So it says ManyChat is built for sales and marketing. You can build a bot in minutes. Get more out of the tools you already use. Join the ManyChat movement. So basically, if you are actually trying to avoid using landing pages, this is one way that you can do it. Or if you're trying to avoid using website builders, this is one way you can do it. Actually, I'm getting ready to hop right into my ManyChat account now. And right now I'm inside my ManyChat account. As you can see, this is my dashboard. Is connected to my page, Mike Cee. If you guys have a Facebook page, go ahead and put it below in the description, in the comments below. And that way I can come check out your pages to see what you guys are doing, what business you're in, and I might give you a like or follow as well. But go ahead and check me out as well, Mike Cee on Facebook. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up if you guys like it, if you guys love it. In order to create a landing page inside of ManyChat, all you have to do is go to Growth Tools and you hit New Growth Tools. And you can see there's many different options that ManyChat has where you can actually collect leads to go into Messenger. They have a bar, which obviously you can embed this and put this on your page, on your website, any website. They have a slide in, they have a Facebook modal, and they have a page takeover, which I'm pretty sure this is just pretty much the same thing as a bar, but it just comes all the way over your all over your page, kind of like this, where it's kind of blurry. But normally you would actually have ManyChat opt-in. You also have a button. You have a box as well where you can embed the widgets. And like I said, you have a landing page, which I'm getting ready to show you guys how to set up. There is a Messenger reference URL. They also have Facebook comments. If somebody comes in and they comment on your Facebook page, it'll automatically comment, and it looks like they've updated this. I just found this out today. It looks like they've updated this Facebook comments, and there's actually a 2.0 version. So this comment trigger will be removed soon. Obviously, you can see that they have additions and they are upgrading the software. They have JSON scripts, which I don't get into JSON scripts that much because you really have to understand how to code, and I'm not a coder. So that's why I like using the basic stuff. And they have QR codes as well, which obviously this was a big thing when Messenger codes were out. But obviously now Facebook Messenger codes are gone. So it looks like ManyChat found another way to recreate Messenger code. So pretty much what this is once somebody scans this QR code, they'll be automatically led into Messenger. There's also another website that you can use to create QR codes that look very fashionable. And I've used those before for some of my campaigns as well. You also have a customer chat and you have a chat box as well. But let me go ahead and get into the landing page portion. So you just click that, and it pretty much tells you, here's your landing page right here. It says, here's your widget headline, click here to change it. We also put default text here, make sure to turn it on a unique and valuable message. And then it says pretty much send to Messenger. So you're sending people directly to Messenger. So just pretty much go through these tabs in this thing where go through this section step by step, one by one. So it says you have text and media, which you show the description, or you can with checkbox. So you can also check it, send to Messenger. It says, be careful, Facebook has introduced a number of limitations for checkbox. Please see our article. So Facebook's always changing the rules, so you have to stay compliant with whatever the new Facebook rules and regulations are, which they're changing those a lot. But as long as you're marketing pretty much specifically, you really don't want to spam anybody who is inside your messenger bot, or you don't want to just spam this link that I'm getting ready to show you guys how to create as well. But for now, we'll just leave it as send to messenger. Obviously, you can change the button background to white or blue, but I think blue stands out a little more. You can go small, medium, large, or whatever. You have a small button, medium button, or a large button. And you have a media type as well, where you can embed a video. This is something that's new. Actually, let me grab a link from my, or actually, let me just grab any YouTube video URL just to see what it looks like. So it looks like you can embed a video on there. Let's pick up Mr. Well, I haven't said I can't use Mr. Beast video. Actually, let me just go to my channel and let's see. So this is my channel, guys. You can check me out, go follow me. If you have not already, come over here and hit the like button and subscribe and the bell notification. That way you can stay up to date on all the fresh and hottest videos that I release. And let me grab this one. This is actually a video from my mentor. I actually got to interview him. He is he's a super affiliate with ClickFunnels. I'm assuming you just take this URL. I have not actually tried this. Wow, this is cool. I never tried it before. It says video placement above headline. And let me actually pause this real quick. So video above headline. This is cool. Yeah, so this is actually the first time I've actually seen this. So you can pretty much set your page up that way. We'll actually leave it like that for now. And I'll hit next. And this is obviously a thank you page. So this is the initial state. You have a thank you page, and you can also redirect people to a URL, which means you can send them to another page once they hit this thank you page. And we're actually going to leave that there for now. I wonder if you can change the background. So it says background. Oh, so you can. So you have a red background, you got a black background, you got blue. Wow, that yellow's strong, bright. That red is too. Can't see the white, you'd have to change the text for that. But this is pretty cool, guys. If you, like I said, if you don't want to deal with web page builders, then obviously you can come into ManyChat, and it's actually free to sign up for ManyChat. You get a free account up until a certain amount of subscribers. Now, obviously, you may not have access to the landing pages. You only get, you have limited access with all of their growth tools and their software, different functions and features of their software if you have the free account. So now you hit pause. And if you copy, this is the link that you use. This is the link that you send everybody. Let me actually see what it looks like. But let me go into a incognito window. There is a way that you can actually use ManyChat for your landing page builder. Obviously, this is a simple way to build landing pages, but you also collect leads. So this is pretty much acting just like an autoresponder, and you have a landing page builder all in one. So thank you guys. Let me know what you think about this video. If you like it, if you hate it, if you love it. And I will see you guys on the next one. Give me a thumbs up. And if you do love this content, support me by hitting the like button on this video, and go ahead and hit the subscribe and the notification bell. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a good one.